I'm going to unbox this Ausom Leopard Scooter that I just got today, and it's wrapped in some sort of yellow saran wrap type of stuff, and hopefully I can unbox this whole thing in less than 1 minute. Some other stuff in the box was, of course, your seat, the seat stand, and 4 screws to screw it into the running board. They give you a multi-tool with multi-different sizes of Allen heads, or a wrench, multi-wrench, some sockets, a Phillips head, a screwdriver, and a slotted head screwdriver, and a little air pump here, and of course the charger and the battery charger. And taking it apart, there wasn't much styrofoam chaff, I'll call it. I had seen on some of the guys unboxed it, they said there was so much of this stuff, but I didn't have any at all. And the keys were attached to the brake line up on top up there. Overall, first impression, this is really a solid machine. First impression. I'll take it out for a ride here tomorrow maybe and check it out. I just came back from a 14-mile ride. Took me about 35 minutes. And this scooter, Ausom Leopard Scooter, performed fantastic. The suspension on this thing, I really am impressed with.